Good morning everyone present over here. I am Anshika Mishra of Grade 8B belonging to Greenfield School International, Vakara. This is my project Vermiculture. She is my guide teacher, Miss Kesia ma'am. This is my project Vermiculture, so let me explain you what is vermiculture. Vermiculture is a scientific process that cultivates earthworms to produce vermicompost. Now let me tell you what is vermicomposting. Vermicomposting is the practice by which we can cultivate and convert the organic waste and biodegradable waste into a compost. This is also known as worm casting. This is the organic manure which is the excreta of earthworms. This is also known as the worm casting. Here we have made the pits and the shells so that the earthworms can live in a humid and cool climate. They should not be exposed to the extreme kind of heat temperature. Now let me explain you about the pit. This is the vermicomposting pit with different kinds of layers. The first layer is the bedrock, which has rocks and pebbles, which helps to collect the vermi wash. This is the vermi wash, which is the biofertilizer. This biofertilizer is really essential as it is found out from the last layer. This is the tap layer from which it has come from. This is in a very strong and concentrated way. So whenever we use it, we should use it in a diluted form by mixing water in it. The first layer here is thick and wet with a jute bag to prevent all the entry of ants, insects and many more things. And to provide them a cool and humid climate, we are using the jute bags over here. Along with this, we are using all the kinds of biodegradable waste, organic waste and many more things. Let me show you a look of it. We have the cow dung cakes, cow dung pieces, soil and mixture of it. This is the chart presentation of it, the process of vermiculture. This is all about the vermiculture in India, and this is the introduction about vermiculture. Vermiculture system is a scientific process of cultivation of worms for the production of vermicompost. There are many effects of vermiculture. Artificial rearing of worms, waste reduction, producing fertilizer, upgrade or to enhance plant productivity, enrich soil nutrients and the culture of worms for vermicompost. This is all about the benefits of vermicomposting. Increases water holding capacity of soil, supplies nutrients to soil and reduces soil erosion. Now the question comes, do vermicomposting pits should only be there in small and large scale industries? Not at all. We can make it in our household also. This is an example of it, a live example. Here I have made a vermicomposting pit where paint can. In this paint can, you will see different kinds of layers as shown in this picture. As I have placed bedrocks, then I have kept the organic matter, fruits, vegetables, peels, and then the cow dung plus soil mixture, and at all, I have rested it for 30 to 50 days. After that, you can see changes, and a vermicompost will be prepared out of this. The water vermi wash is collected through the tap of this paint can itself. So we should inculcate this habit in all the Indian household to make it more healthy nation as our country India. Around 19 states nowadays have this vermicomposting pits used in their agriculture. What about the other states? We should create awareness all over the world. And for your kind information, around 3,661 vermicomposting pits are there in India by Horticulture Department. 2,553 in PMDP and 1,108 in MIDH local schemes and programs. So that's all. Thank you so much.